Hi, my name is Vladimir. I'm a full-time trader and mentor for more than 12 years now. I started my journey a long time ago, and like anyone else, I had my ups, I had my downs, I burned accounts. But today, after all these years, I'm sitting here proudly as a full-time trader. I created a Traders Academy Club for that goal, to have one place, one club for traders that are missing this one piece in their own trading puzzle to switch from being a dreamer into a trader. For those traders that are missing this something to make this jump from the level of I want to be a trader to the level of I am a trader. If you belong to this community, if you also are missing that very simple, very little piece of the puzzle, and you are ready to work hard for your own dreams and make them happen, Traders Academy Club is the right place for you. I welcome you to our family, and I welcome you to the place where dreams become into a reality. I'll see you inside.